Watch. Bam! New sub. See these two fucking guys? Pablo Que Pasa. Where's the mods? Hellboy297412. Like a what? Right? So you just go like this. Nice. 44 messages, right? Let's have a little gander. Right? No. Where's the mods? Good morning to everyone and Nick Merckx. Fuck. This is the best part of the day and me. Oh, fuck. Tommy Jukies. Good morning to all. Oh, fuck. Oh, okay. That's a misfire. Hellboy, good morning, bro. That's a misfire on me. My bad. Misfire. But you get the point.